Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks for the week of January 23rd through the 29th. And this week I went through a lot of my sticker stash to try and come up with something that really just uses my stash, because I'm trying to be really good about using what I have versus buying and just hoarding. So what I will be using are bits and pieces from things that have been sent to me. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to use this. This is sent to me by Cecilia of the Scientist Plans. These were also sent to me by either Cecilia or Corolla. I believe it was Cecilia who sent these. And then I will be using some of the black toile from According to Allie, and maybe some of this washi. Trying to figure out how I can use all of that. Let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do here is write down the days of the week. And it's a small detail, but I feel like it adds a lot to the spread, adding a little bit of color. Now, if I can only make sure that I am writing the correct days of the week. And this is my Le Bon Rosa in the lilac color. It has a medium nib on it, and it has Colorverse Alpha Pisces on it. So how do I want to do this? I kind of want to organize some things here. This is going to be so different to the way that I normally do things, because I don't normally do collaging stuff like this. Maybe not that one. Maybe this with maybe one of these, or I'm missing one already. Maybe this, I feel like will go on a different spread. And I wanted to include, I've already lost the washi, like this washi and this. So I think it's going to be a combination of like a whole bunch of different stuff that will somehow work. Gosh, there's so many like pretty things here, and I realize now why it's so difficult for some people to decide how to decorate. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know. I feel like I can't use both of these. Like I have to choose one or the other. And these are, I think, like pet tape washi, but I cut them out so that you could have like the individual ones. So which one do I want to use out of all of these? I'm going to, like that one was the first one that drew me in. So let's just start with that. Oh, so pretty. Now I think I'm gonna do this, and because I don't want to cover up the quote because it is nice. Oh my gosh, I love that already. Then I'm gonna add some of this washi tape. I got this in Toronto from, I believe it was Paper Plus Cloth that I got it. I feel like doing just a little combination of whatever floats my boat is gonna be what's gonna maybe work out here. Maybe add, uh-oh, I'm ripping the washi. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh, I ripped it. I can't get it back. There we go. Oh, there goes one. I feel like I've lost that one. And I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like it's just going to be a collection of like little bits and pieces. And let's try up here. Oh, I love this washi tape. Let's do it like this. This is so different to what I normally use, but this is part of what I want to do this year, is to make sure that I use my stash and do things that are a little bit different outside of my comfort zone. So, well, this one's gonna be a little bit harder, especially with these nails. There we go. Oh, did I get it? I might have to skip that. Maybe this one. I think that's the hardest thing, is the peeling them. Oh, I got it. I love that. I love that. And then it's so simple, but so pretty. And then I think what I'll do is actually put something down here in the corner as well. That's such pretty washi tape. Just a little, I'm gonna rip that off. And then, no, I feel like the best thing to add is, maybe one of these. It's just so different to what I normally do and what I normally use, but I like that. I like that it's different. So let's see if this will come off. Yeah. I don't normally, like I said, decorate with these types of washi or stickers, so, but I'm liking stepping outside of my comfort zone. Oh, and I've always admired people who can use these and make their week spreads just look so elegant. I feel like I need to add something to it, but what? What else do I need to add up here? Like, because this is so pretty on its own. I don't mind that. I feel like that needs a quote down there. So let's see if I can somehow get this off. And, oh, looks like it's almost there. Who struggles with taking these off with their nails? Let me know in the comments below. Right there. Oh my gosh. You know what? It's so different to what I'm normally used to, but I love it. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my meetings and then I'll be right back. So there's my overall finished spread. I really like how it just looks so different from what I'm normally used to. And I'm really excited to be able to use these really pretty stickers that Cecilia and Coral have given me. It's introduced me to a new world of stickers and washi and pet tape, and I'm just so excited. All right, I hope this encourages you guys as well to try new things with your stickers and your planning. It was a little scary at first, but I think it turned out really, really nice. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.